Yeah, back there, I tell you, still on the street, channels on Wazobia TV, channel 195, and you just touch like, if you just touch the die, make you not try and come out your hand. If you touch on the TV, go choke you. Still on the matter on street channels on Wazobia TV. The question when I'm true for street today, the question are like this. As a man, what you don't like about women, generally? What you don't like about women? Just simple question. I know so many people will get so many ideas, so many. I know, so many people. But as a woman, what you don't like about man? Hold your talk. Hold just freestyle. I call them freestyle, you know. Hold your freestyle, you know that kind of thing. What you don't really like about women and what you don't really like about man? As a man and as a woman. Channel 195, start time. Hey! Oh my God, Alpha, if you speak pidgin, Abi, confirm pidgin. As today, now what you know they like about women?
Nothing when I don't like.
Like what?
Nah, anything I like.
They like everything about women. Yes. When they are quarrel, when they cause trouble, so you want to turn your life upside down.
You have to cool down for women.
You have to cool down for women.
Caution yourself.
You go caution yourself. How you go caution yourself? Don't woman go caution yourself.
Oh,
this guy never talk with her 1 year. This guy never talk with her 1 year. My guy, Alpha, what you not like about women?
I don't like the woman where they do gra anything. The woman where they do person we know. I want the woman may cool down. I like her.
But you don't cool down, and you be cool down person.
Why?
You be cool-headed person.
Why? Me a cool down person.
See your voice now, oh my
God. That no mean anything. That one no mean anything. That one no mean.
Alright, still on the matter on straight chance on Wazobia TV. Back at that. I tell you, still on the matter. Alpha, good afternoon. Now for me, just relax, we'll talk. Nobody they carry you. Forget it, we'll talk. Alpha, how you there?
Fine.
Wazobia TV, now pidgin English, feel free, freestyle. I know they want English. If you speak English, for why then I go verse for you. And then they like Oyibo English, and they like them. So just speak pidgin for me. God bless you. As today like this, what you know they like about me?
Lies.
Lies, I mean.
Yes.
But you did not they talk lies.
I dey lie sometimes.
You they lie sometimes, I mean. When it's necessary.
Yes.
But if lies all the time, they necessary. Not tell one guy they say you did for Cotonou now, you did for Nigeria.
No.
I mean, so what you know they like apart from lies, you know?
Dishonesty.
Dishonest.
Yes.
All of them they go down with lies. Apart from that, nothing again.
Humanizing.
Humanizing.
Yes.
Hey, that's a normal thing for Nigeria now. Every man they lie humanize now. That be so. You know the manizing.
I know the man nice.
You know the manizing. Still on the matter on street channels on Wazobia TV. Back it there. Like saying last man I go ask now. Madam, good afternoon. How far are you there? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. How far Wazobia TV? Oh, see how people they run for camera. I don't know why. Why people they run for camera? Mushi wale waso. Mushi wale waso. Mushi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Wazobia TV. I just want one question I want to answer. What you know they like about man?
Man.
Yeah. Oh my God.
About man as well.
What man generally? What you know they like about them? What they do?
Nothing, no.
Everything about man you like them?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Man when they carry woman you like them?
Yes, now.
Man when they lie for you like them?
No.
You must get what you know they like about man. Huh? So they like man when they thief.
No. God
You know the
forbid.
third things now. So what are those things you don't like about men?
I don't like that. Make men lie for woman. It's not good.
It's not good.
And I like men they caring for woman.
They care. So you they care?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
I'm making you look camera. It's kind of sexy. All right, still on the matter. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bros, good afternoon. Bros, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Wazobia TV.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, bros. You go help me out. I want to ask you one simple question, but not speak English. Na pidgin you go speak for me.
Okay.
As you dey like this, what you not like about woman?
Oh, well, I don't like the mode of dressing.
The mode of dressing.
Yeah. Some dress provocatively. So, yeah. And, yeah. So, and therefore, they allow satanic minds in men. So therefore, I don't like their dressing mode. That's number one. Then, secondly, what I don't like about women, I don't like them to be. I don't like them to be in authoritative power.
Authoritative power. Because some women they like fuga well.
Exactly.
They like fuga.
Exactly.
Yeah, nothing they happen. Not be so.
Yeah. God made them to be under men. So those are the two things I don't like about women.
Those are the two things.
Yeah.
All right, still on the matter, straight chance. Becky. Now don't hear him, but the guy said, Becky, my house is babe. Whether I could get one or two answers to give me. How far are you there?
Fine.
Now Wazobia TV be this. Will I say don't where you dey trek? You want you dey swear, so what did happen?
Nothing.
Yeah. I dey try me talk with somebody. The person wey agree answer your call, abi, because they shout am. Tell the person what I tell her what I.
I don't be tell her what
Every disappointment is what? A blessing. Now you go receive your blessing. If you disappoint you, one that guy go come, yeah?
It's not guy, yo.
Who?
My friend.
Your friend, na babe, abi?
Yes.
He dey disappoint you now. No why they run things with one guy now. All right, still on the matter. What you did there? As you did like this, what you not like about man?
Ha! Man, hey, I don't talk.
What you not like? What you not like when some men they do?
As in, they cheat, number one. And then they lie. And they get bad tea for her. Maybe I don't like.
Bad tea. There are too many, abi. Like say the area where you stay now face you. So bad people they don't pull out. Abi. All right, still on the matter. But if you talk another thing.
Nothing, I don't get another thing.
You don't get another thing to talk. Maybe your brain still put. Your brain still put. Yeah, let them put.
I don't get another thing.
All right, still on the matter of street chance on Wazobia TV. Make it there. Alpha. Oh, che. Hey, you go talk. Mama, Alpha, now good morning. Alpha. Also, they fear camera. Mama, Alpha, how you doing? Why people they fear camera like this? I don't know. They fear camera. Guy, Alpha. What you not like about women?
Everything about women I like, but sometimes I know they like.
Speak pidgin, my brother.
Now pidgin with the
you don't.
oh show the yeah.
Now Wazobia and speak pidgin.
Now they tell you now. I know even sabi English sef.
Okay.
I don't like woman if you say they cheat on man. I don't like woman if you say they do the waka, they come back late in the night. Suppose they do one or two things for the husband or for a boyfriend, or if you dey mama house. Suppose at least they do the better side, but they can't like run around, they cheat around or the guy, all that things like that. Woman, you know this straightforward.
You don't like that.
I don't like all this kind of woman.
Okay, the woman they don't do you before.
Me I get.
Don't get experience.
Me I get common heart too. My heart soft.
Yeah, soft.
I know my heart no fit break. I know just say
break her like go scatter pants.
na common na. Na common my heart na.
All right, still on the matter of street chance on Wazobia TV. But how far now you dey? Yeah, what you not like about women?
A lot.
Like what?
Like the pretense.
Pretense.
Yeah. They pretend a lot.
Pretense.
And besides,
If you talk the pretense of pidgin English. Anything you
I
don't
don't
like
know.
that.
I don't know how to put it in English.
Woman they do why you when they pretend.
Yeah, when they pretend. a lot.
Pretend, I be pretense.
Especially the way they behave. When they maybe when you are approaching them to woo them. The way
And they like you.
And they like you. They
And they go
pretending. Putting you in pressure for you to do more.
Fight more hard.
And sometimes, you know, when men are not that, I'm not that corny. You understand? When they pressure a lady and they discover that he's not responding, so they have to back out. So those are the things. And secondly, women love money a lot.
They love money.
They love money a lot, and majorly, money is their issue. Mostly.
Money is always their issue.
It's always their
My
issue.
guy, not be money make you dey come up for us.
I know
Not
it's
be money make you
but
stroke come out.
the issue about them is that they love money too much.
Too much.
Too much.
You don't like money.
I love money, but not to that
I don't
extent.
judge you for that one. All right, still on the matter of straight chance on Wazobia TV. What you not like about woman?
Okay, woman, because you know, say, if somebody go church, you know,
Pidgin English, speak pidgin.
okay. I want a woman to wear a skirt. I don't want a woman to wear a trouser. Yes. So, because that one is not that belong to God. That one is a vanity. So, that is what I don't like. A woman to do it.
Okay. Come, wait till they talk. Not they shout like that. Wait first. Not they shout. If you talk cry, wait till you talk.
If they leave Okada for us, they disturb us. We get family. We go job now.
Now chop abi.
Like so it go be now. Me our president, Mr. Buhari. Me pity us. More dey hustle small. More hustle.
So Okada dey follow. Me I leave Okada first. Me follow this country like the contest.
No, me dey do our own road for us. Abi Buhari na better person.
No, Okada dey follow this reality boss dey contest.
More dey contest na God get our mind. Na God get our mind. We no be get accident. Na God get our mind. No be dem get our mind. Na God.
Okay, what you not like about woman?
Woman.
Women, wetin dem dey do when you no like?
Na this go show me that they do up and down now. Oh, that they use that one they disturb all woman up and down.
All right, still on the matter, straight chance on Wazobia TV. If you watch one run, leave that guy. That guy, no, they give me what I want. They give me what I want. All right, still on the matter. Becky. Bros, you know they go.
Yes, now.
How far now? What you not like about woman? Sharply.
But Shabali.
Quickly. What you not like about woman?
About woman, I don't like woman because they are very wicked people.
Woman, we don't wicked you.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
Take that. Apart from that one, show that one again. They do the lie.
Yeah, they lie. They can do bad for you. So they're not good for anything.
Yeah, they're not good for anything.
Yes.
You sure you get mama?
Nah,
Your mama no.
I don't know. Bye-bye.
I catch the guy. Woman not good. He say woman not good. When I ask her, say whether I get mama, should be hook. You don't know yourself. All right, still on the matter of straight chance. Becky. I don't get enough reactions. Enough. But this time I now tell you, say I dey go. Yeah. What's going on? What is going on? Yeah. All right, still on the matter. Now like this, I tell wrap her up. Still on the matter. Not mine. So many things they go on for the Lagos street here. Many people don't know. That man I just demonstrate in anger. You understand? So at the level be that. So we go. Becky there.